Hi everyone, welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. So I hope so you have completed day 30th agenda, that is about AWS EC2 metadata and user data. And it was mentioned that launch types also. Yeah, the metadata, that is knowing about the system information. Yes, how to get that? The metadata of the EC2 instance and the user data. Yes, during the provisioning. Yeah, how do you do the custom commands, the customs packages, or the service management, or the users management on the basis of the requirement of that instance? Yes, how do we use it that? And as well as finally, what are the different launch methods are available? As a cost optimizations point of view, yes, we should know it. Yes, on the basis of application content point of view, we should know that. That's launch types as well as. Yeah, these are all the points that was covered in the day 30th agenda. If you didn't complete it, go ahead and complete it. These are all very, very important in interviews point of view, and as well as once you step in and architectural point of view, in the infra level to decide that. Yes, which launch type and how do we manage that bootstrap scripts and how do we manage that metadata information whenever it is required. Yeah, the very, very important things. Yeah, so that's about day 30th. And now let's move into the next agenda. But before moving to that agenda, if you're following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful to your friends and colleagues, yes, then please like, comment, and share the video. And subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 31st agenda, that is about AWS instance types and it's the settings or the configurations. But what about that EC2 instance types and settings to understand that? Yes, let me show that about a workflow. Yeah, so we are in that AWS cloud journey, day 31st. Yeah, good. So we are in the good progress. Yeah, let's talk it that the important points. So what you are going to learn it from this agenda. Yeah, but before understanding that, yes, maybe you are observing thus the content of this course and you are going to get it in the surprise price itself. I mean, that is the reasonable price, that is 9,999 rupees only. And we are planning to start it evaluations also. Yes, day wise, once you got it, that concept, yes, so evaluation of it. So these are all going to helpful not only just learning and applying. Yes, in that context, we are planning to start it. The, the evaluation models also. Yes, if you'd like to subscribe it, I mean, if you'd like to enroll to this course, yes, just send that 100 to this WhatsApp number. Then you will be knowing the course details and you can enroll as well as. Yeah, now let's come back to the day 31st agenda. So the first section which you're going to have it EC2 instance types. Yeah, what are the different types of instances are available? And yes, on the basis of application requirement, the services which are going to planning to launch it on the EC2 instance, which types of the instances are recommended? Is it recommended? Yes, we have that M types, we have that compute optimized or memory optimized, IO based optimized, the graphical user interface, the graphic based, the G type of instances, or we have the T type of instances. As which one is recommended in the context of it? Yeah, all that's the differences you will get it, and pricing and cost optimization is which context, which one is we use it, and what are the burstable instances, and what about that like a credit specifications and how it is going to helping that the credits. Yeah, all the points that you are going to learn it in this day 31st agenda, and not only that. So here it has been explained that some more EC2 related settings, that is about terminate protections. Yeah, how do you can enable that terminate protection, or how do you define that stopping and shutdown behaviors? And as a dedicated host point of view, how do you define the placement groups? Not only that, you will be having that some more important configurations of all this. Yes, these are all the things that I have been explained in this day 31 agenda video. Yeah, so in that day 31, so we have some in the forum link, and if you go to this forum link, then you will get it that yes. So this is a forum day 31 about EC2 instance types and settings, and this is one video which is available on that instance types and settings. So which is going to have that the approximately the 1 hour 30 minutes of it. Yeah, on that day. So yes, 31st day, they were going to learn it about that all these concepts from this video. Yeah, so that's about this section, day 31 agenda. So I'll come back this in the next section, that is about day 32. Thank you. That's all from this section. So we see this in the next agenda.